Mike Hughes here. I'm at nanight .se, or is it .com? Yes. I'm here with Per. And Per, you want to tell us a little bit about these Nanight Tech 2 lights you have here?
Okay, so this is our canister light, which is a tech light.
Which is very small canister light.
Very small. It's only 1 kilo in total. The output is 4,000 lumens, so
which is quite a bit for something that small.
Yeah, it's a lot of light.
And about how long would that last?
This one will last for over 5 hours.
Wow.
So it's a good
several dives.
Yeah, you can dim it in several steps like this.
And it even lasts longer or whatever.
Yeah, so,
oh yeah, you can see that.
Yeah, so this is 3,000 lumen, 4,000. Yeah, okay, sorry.
That's a lot of light.
4,000 lumen. You can dim it down to 1,000 lumen like this.
Perfect.
And then you will get like 12 hours of light. So a lot of light.
That's a lot of dives.
A long dive.
Now this one, there's a C3. It has 4,000 lumens as well.
Yeah, exactly.
But that one's a little bit bigger light.
So we have a bigger,
wider
LED,
angle,
bigger LED.
Okay.
And to tame this LED, we need a big reflector to give it a small spot.
Got it.
So we have a really small spot which will punch through bad visibility.
Okay.
This will travel really far in caves and in bad visibility without
really far. That's in meters, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So you won't get any backscatter.
Okay. As you can see, I'm doing it in the cave right now behind you. Oh, cool. Which is one thing you don't want is the backscatter. Exactly. Then it's hard to find your way around.
This one comes with this soft Goodman handle, which we love.
So you can do it on your hand or a glove.
Yeah, this is soft. This is very convenient. We also have the hard Goodman handles in carbon fiber.
Okay.
And we have one in
when would you use the hard fiber as opposed to the soft?
Yeah, so the good thing with the hard one is that you can easily switch it between hands more quickly, like this.
Quicker in hands,
yeah.
Right.
Some people prefer it because they need to have the hard one. And if you have the hard one, you can have the aluminum version.
Oh, got it.
Which is pretty adjustable. You can adjust the width. It's easy to adjust the height of it, and you can collapse it if you have it in the bag, so it doesn't take so much space.
And use it to mount too on things.
Yeah, and the carbon fiber version has some properties which are better than the aluminum, because since the carbon fiber doesn't draw away heat from the hand,
right,
it will make your hands feel warmer when it's cold outside.
Cool. All right. Well, and once again, if they want more information, it's nanight.se.com.
.se.
See, I'll never get that.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.